Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today's video we're going to try this press on gel nails. So if you want to know how I did it, please keep on watching. All we need are fake nails, the nail glue, and cotton pads, the nail polish remover, and nail file. So let's just set aside all this. Then open na natin yung box ng press on gel nails. So this is in the color of pink. So meron na siyang kasama pala na glue, nail glue. So andito yung instruction, how to use, how to remove. So that is it. Now we have to apply. We're going to apply this press on gel to my fingers. Now first we have to clean my nails using this nail polish remover. So actually this is the second time I tried this press on nail gel. So this time maganda yung quality na nabili ko sa Day to Day. So I bought it actually from Day to Day for only 8 dirham, 8 point something siya. So I have another nail file to use para ma-push yung cuticle ko pataas. So kapag in-apply natin yung fake nails, mukha siyang natural. So same process din siya sa kabila, of course. What I like about this press on fake nails, madali lang siyang i-apply, and then madali rin mo siyang pwede mo siyang palitan pag ayaw mo na ng design. So now we have to find kung ano yung mga exact sizes ng nails mo, and then actually may mga number siya sa may likuran. So I forgot to show you that. But meron na siyang mga numbers. So madali niyo siyang mapapagpare-pareho. So ayan na nga, namimili ako ng mga exact sizes sa thumbnail ko, sa hintuturo, sa lahat. So you just need to make sure na hindi na makikita yung nails ninyo kapag in-apply nyo itong fake nails para maging mukha siyang natural. So medyo nga struggle is real sa mamimili ng mga nails. So you can see, kasi nga gusto ko yung exact sizes niya. So now that we found all the same sizes with my nails, let me just open this nail glue. So ma-apply na natin siya. So now ito palang nail glue is sarado siya pag inopen mo yung cup lid. So kailangan mo siyang lagyan ng sobrang smallest hole you can do, because this glue is actually super duper madikit siya. So it's actually like mighty band, so you really have to be careful habang nag-a-apply kayo. So as you can see, yun na nga na lagyan yung kamay ko. So now we have to apply a small amount sa ating nails, and then you have to press as hard as you can. So you just have to do the same thing sa iba pang nails. And one more thing, you have to be careful kapag nag-apply kayo nitong glue, because may tendency na ma-over kayo ng lagay ng glue, and then masakit siya actually kapag nalagyan mo siya ng maraming glue. So just be careful while applying this glue. So this is actually perfect for those people like me na alam mo na one day lang naman yung event, and kasi sa trabaho hindi ako pwede mag long nails. So ayan, and then ayoko rin ng papalit-palit and then bura ng mga nail polish. So this is actually perfect for me. So as you can see, tapos na natin yung isang kamay. So, ang super duper cute lang talaga ng design niya. Kasi meron siyang glittery and then matte color. So, we're going to just do the same process sa kabilang kamay. So, I'm just impressed with the glue kasi sobrang tumatagal talaga siya. And then, first day actually, kailangan ko na siyang tanggalin tapos hindi ko pa rin siya matanggal. The second day, medyo naaalis-alis ko na siya. So, ayun na nga. Madali lang siya actually alisin. You just need to remove it from the side first hanggang sa ma-remove mo na lahat. So, to be honest, I'm so impressed talaga sa nail glue na kasama niya kasi sobrang dikit niya. And actually, this can last for a week or so. Depende na lang kung gaano kayo. Alam mo na yun, gumagalaw. So, well, I'm so impressed with this. So, I was planning to buy more of this actually. So, now we're left with one finger almost done. So, I actually bought extra nail glue. As you can see, ayan yun sa right side. But since meron ng free na kasama dun sa box, I don't need that anymore. So, I was planning to use that kasi akala ko hindi madikit yung nail glue na kasama niya. But I'm really so impressed kasi as you can see, sobrang madikit niya. So now this is the finished product. So last we have to take a nail file to polish these fake nails. So you have to polish all the nails since ma-avoid natin yung accidentally na ma-scratch yung mukha natin, or yun nga kasi napansin ko meron siyang mga excess tingy dun sa upper area niya. So I just have to remove those para hindi ma-scratch yung mukha ko. So that is it for today's video, guys. So hope you like this video and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.